let's take our top off. Not that top, you perverts. This top. All right, to get this job done, you're going to need a ratchet and some sockets, specifically a 10mm, and that's what you're going to use most of the time, and an 8mm for just one little bolt in the front middle. You're going to need an Allen wrench, which is going to be the bane of your existence for the next few minutes, and a Torx screwdriver with a T25 head. All right, first we gotta get the Osmo mount off of my roof. We're going to have a total of 3 bolts and 2 screws in the front. Now, 2 of these you have to be able to access from the outside. They're right here in these alcoves under the lip of the roof. You just need to get your Allen key in there so you can hold those bolts steady and then ratchet them off from the inside. Here's what these 2 bolts look like and where they're located inside the machine. Use your 10mm socket to get these off of the roll bar. And hopefully you'll have someone to help you hold down that Allen key on the outside. Use an 8mm socket to zip this guy out right in the middle of the roll bar. Now you have 2 screws in the front, 1 in each corner of the roll bar. Just get your Torx screwdriver out and unscrew those. Now we have 4 screws right across the back. You're going to use your Torx driver once again with the T25 head just to unscrew these and get them out. They seem to be easier to get out just by sitting in the side-by-side and unscrewing them from the inside. And that is it. The roof is free. All you gotta do is lift it off. All right, we got this bad boy off. Now I'm gonna tell you something. You are gonna need 2 people to do this, man. You can't do it by yourself because somebody's got to keep tension on them screws and them bolts so that way you can loosen them up and then get the roof off. I think I did a good job of showing y'all where all the bolts are that you need to take off because there are some dummy bolts in here too. So you got to watch out for those. You should be able to get it off after watching this video in probably about 20 minutes where there's nothing in the owner's manual about it. There's no other videos out there showing you how to take this roof off. We had a time with it because we were pioneers, baby. We were paving the way trying to get this thing off. Either way though, totally doable. You can do it, no problems whatsoever, man. It will, once you got all them bolts off, it will just slide right on off, man. No issues at all. And the reason I did this is because I'm going to install an overhead fan system in here and we're going to see how that treats me. Now, if you want to watch that video, make sure you click it. It should come up in the end screen or pop up right here in the corner of the video or something like that. Either way, thank y'all for watching along. I hope I helped somebody. Now hit them trails and get on it, big boys.